Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff. And today is Tuesday, December 11th, 2018. Today we have lots of morning announcements. There's lots of things happening today at Perry Elementary. So first and foremost, we do have our book fair that is happening. So book fair sales will be happening at recess and also at the holiday dinner. And speaking of the holiday dinner, that is today. So we will have holiday dinner at 5 o'clock and 6:30. And hopefully your parents or guardians have called in or did their reservations online so that you are attending. We have close to 300 people who will be attending our holiday dinner tonight. So we're looking forward to seeing everybody at our dinner and also our book fair. Just as a reminder, boys and girls, we're doing our penny collection for the food pantry. So bring in your pennies for your classes. The food pantry will much appreciate it, and they will turn around and use that money for food for people less fortunate. Also, for our lunch choices for today, we have cheese-filled Bosco with sauce, we have chili cheese Fritos, or chef salad with bread. And today for our pause, we have Mr. Zaremski's first grade students who are going to talk about having a positive attitude.
Okay, boys and girls, for today what we're going to do is talk about having a positive attitude. So the boys and girls here from Mr. Zaremski's first grade class came up with some ideas for having a positive attitude.
You can raise your hand when you want to speak. Be kind and show others to respect. Be kind.
Those are all great suggestions. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, boys and girls. Appreciate that. And at this time, please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, boys and girls. Okay, everybody, have a great day. It's a busy day here at Perry Elementary, so let's everyone have a great day. Make some great choices. Remember, we only have one more Tuesday after this week. That'll be next Tuesday, and then you'll be on break. So let's make sure we're doing our best, especially at this time of Christmas. Thank you, and have a great day.